you. My name is Jason Tillman, Executive Chef here at Triumph Restaurant and the Iroquois Hotel, 49 West 44th Street, between 5th and 6th Avenue in New York City. Today we're going to be making coriander-crusted salmon. And coriander is an actual seed. And what the coriander is a seed for cilantro. So you put coriander seeds in the ground, you get cilantro. Okay, so what we have is a nice piece of salmon, farm-raised Atlantic salmon. It's actually beautiful. This time of year you can use wild salmons in season. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and season this with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. I like to season both sides, very important. All right, and then we're gonna take our coriander seed, and I've taken this coriander seed and put it in a spice mill, which is a coffee grinder, if you will. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of this on top, just like that, and a little bit on the bottom. And we're gonna go ahead and get it in a hot pan. We'll see you over here. Now, we have our hot pan, and like I always say, we want very, very high ventilation. We have a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil because I like the flavor. If you want to use canola oil, that's fine. Blended oil, that's fine. We're gonna go ahead and put that in the pan. Let that sit for a few minutes and get nice and golden brown. We're gonna go ahead and flip it and put it in the oven and cook it to our desired temperature. But right now, you see how it's getting nice. We don't want to shake it around. We don't want to be too aggressive with it. It's very, very delicate. So we want to let it sit, and that natural fat will kind of sink down to the bottom, kind of meld with all this oil and this flavor and this coriander, and it'll come right up. So we don't have to worry. See, it's already started to come right up. So that's how we know. If this fish sticks to this pan, you know that your pan was not hot enough, okay? Let's take a look. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful, beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and flip this and go right in the oven for about 3.5 minutes at 350 degrees. So we're gonna go right in our oven at 350 degrees, 2.5, 3 minutes at 350 degrees, and we'll see you in 1 second. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and put it on our plate. Just came right out of the oven. We're gonna put it on our plate just like that. You can cut it if you'd like. We're gonna go ahead and add a few microgreens on top and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. That's just so light, so healthy, all right? And a little squeeze of lemon juice, and that's coriander crusted salmon. I'm Jason Tillman, and we'll see you next time.